Hi, everybody, and let me welcome you on behalf of IOXP, which is short for Input and Output of Experience. So we are all about knowledge transfer from experienced workers to unexperienced workers. And while we all know the problem, and especially in industry, unexperienced workers might be the slower executioners and also produce higher error rates. Recent developments in the job market and also job rotation principles even foster that problem to get knowledge from Eddie, the experienced guy, to John, the unexperienced guy. So this is how we do it. We show a step-by-step instruction into the field of view of the worker, which generally needs not much explanation, but shows you what to do. And it even corrects you if you do something wrong and confirms your actions when you do it right. The magic is that an experienced worker records a video of how the process is done right. Once he or she is done, presses a button and it gets converted to a digital process model in the background. With another push of a button, you receive either printable documentation of the process or augmented reality or an video-based interactive multimedia tutorial. We have several use cases in industry, namely quality gates for quality assurance purposes, training stations for language-independent, visual supported training tutorial, and also cases, for example, in maintenance and in service, all around the topic of knowledge preservation. We have global representations and would like to get in touch with you